Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an expense report with Expensify. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Expensify app or visit the Expensify website. Log into your account with your credentials. On the dashboard, locate the new report button and click on it. Choose a name for your expense report that reflects its purpose. Select the applicable dates for the expenses being reported. Next, click on the Add Expenses button to begin entering your expenses. You can either upload receipts or manually add expenses. To upload a receipt, select Add Receipt and choose a file from your device. For manual entry, click on Add Expense and fill in the required fields. Include details such as the date, amount, category, and any necessary descriptions. Repeat this process for each expense that needs to be included. Once all expenses are added, review them for accuracy. If adjustments are needed, click on the expense to edit or delete as necessary. After confirming that all expenses are correct, proceed to submit the report. Click the Submit button and follow any prompts to finalize your submission. You will receive a confirmation once your report is successfully submitted. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding the approval of your report. Optionally, you can check the status of your report in the Expensify app. And that's it. You have created and submitted an expense report using Expensify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.